G'day throttlers. Now, just a little bit of a follow-up video to my unboxing of the Shoei Glamster helmet, the retro helmet that I bought yesterday. Now I'm out on a ride this morning with a few mates, and I bought the Glamster. The only thing I've done is hooked up my Sena to the right hand side so I can film and record audio. Other than that, I haven't done anything to the Glamster just yet. But I've been on the bike now for a couple of hours, and I want to give you a little bit of an overview about my initial riding impressions of the Glamster. Now, the things I love about it, obviously its look. It's the reason why I bought it. I loved its look. That retro look really suits the way I like to ride, and also the style of bikes that I have as well. Now, I also loved how lightweight it was. It's really light, only just a fraction over a kilo in weight, and it's very tight little package. It's actually a helmet that's not much bigger than your head. It doesn't look like it's a big mushroom sitting on top of your head, and I like that as well. It just really fits into the Harley Davidson and the Cafe Racer style image. Super comfortable, and underneath here there's a chin curtain that you can actually put in, and I have done that. And that just cuts out any of the wind coming up and underneath your helmet, and it works great, and it's I'm very impressed with the whole helmet. Now, the things that I don't like about it, and it's not that I don't like it, and I knew that it was going to be the case before I bought it, so it's not like I've made a mistake by buying this helmet. So firstly, the chin bar. The chin bar is very close to your chin. In a sports bike helmet, it sits out a little bit further, but in this helmet, it's sitting right on. You're not touching the chin bar, but you're extremely close to it. Now, that's bad in two ways. Number one, in my case where I'm running a Sena 10C and I've got a microphone in there, my mouth is really close to the microphone. And to be honest, I won't know how good or bad this audio is until I get home and upload it to my computer and see if it's even usable. Now, secondly, being a chin bar that's so close to your chin, the visor is then very close to your face. And I have not installed my pin lock yet to the visor, but I will, especially after today. It's a cool day today. Plus we've had rain, and this visor has been steaming up a lot, more so than any of my other visors. And I know that's an easy fix just by installing the pin lock, and I will definitely do that, so it's not a problem at all. It's just something to be aware of. Now, as you lift the visor, you can crack it just a little bit to let some air through, but then the ratchet system as you raise it up into different levels just isn't very solid. So when you get to a certain stage, the wind just grabs the visor and pulls it all the way up into the up position, which isn't ideal when you're in rain and you want to have your visor half down. It just won't stay in that position. Again, I knew this before I bought the helmet, but by wearing it today, it's been reaffirmed that is the case from what other people have talked about. Now, the other negative, these little vents here in the front of the helmet, they are supposed to run through a little hole and then blow up onto your visor. Now, if that's working at all, I'm surprised. If it is working, it's only absolutely minimal. So when my visor is locked hard shut, I don't think there is any breeze coming up onto the visor at all. Again, not a game breaker, especially once you get a pin lock installed, but something to be aware of. Now they're literally my only gripes with this helmet. Everything else about it I love. I love its look, it's lightweight, it's really comfortable, and I can't complain about it at all. It's exactly what I want. If you're after a retro styled helmet, this is definitely one for you to check out. It is in the upper price bracket for retro helmets though, but I think the advancements in technology that Shoei have done with this Glamster is worth spending those extra dollars. Now if you wanted to see me unboxing this helmet, just up in the left hand side of the screen at the top you'll see a little link there to the unboxing that I did yesterday. Anyway, that's enough for me guys. I'm going to get back and enjoy my ride with the boys up ahead, and I just wanted to share a little bit of information and my experience with this helmet so far. What changes am I going to make? I'm going to put a tinted visor on when they become available. So all of my subscribers have convinced me that I'll be going some sort of mirrored arrangement, probably a blue or a red mirrored visor. It will probably be absolutely perfect. The red one suits my logo nicely. I think the blue one would suit my silver bike nicely, so I'm yet to decide, and it also depends on what gets released as well. Alright guys, very short video today, just talking about my Glamster Shoei helmet. Hope you're all doing good. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you would like to keep up to date with all things motorcycles. And until next time folks, throttle on, stay safe, ciao.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just